Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Apple Arcade subscription step by step clearly. First, unlock your iPhone or iPad and make sure it is connected to the internet. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Tap your Apple ID name at the very top of the settings page. On the Apple ID screen, tap Subscriptions. If you do not see subscriptions, tap Media and Purchases. Then tap View Account. Then find Subscriptions. Wait a moment for your subscription list to load. Look for Apple Arcade in the list of active subscriptions. Tap Apple Arcade to open its subscription details. Read the renewal date so you know when billing would happen next. Tap Cancel Subscription. If you see Cancel Free Trial instead, tap that option. Confirm the cancellation when the pop-up message appears. After confirming, check that the status changes to expired or shows an expiration date. Remember that you can usually keep access until the current billing period ends. If you are using a Mac, open the App Store app instead. On Mac, click your name at the bottom left, or click Sign In if needed. Click Account Settings near the top of the window. Scroll to the Subscriptions section and click Manage. Find Apple Arcade and click Edit next to it. Click Cancel Subscription and confirm to finish. If you are on a Windows PC, open iTunes and sign in with your Apple ID. In iTunes, click Account on the top menu bar, then click View My Account. Scroll down to Settings and find Subscriptions. Then click Manage. Select Apple Arcade. Click Edit. Then click Cancel Subscription. If you do not see Apple Arcade, verify you are signed into the correct Apple ID. Also check if the subscription is billed through a family organizer or a different device. If cancellation still does not work, restart your device and try the steps again. Finally, look for an email receipt or open subscriptions again to confirm it is no longer set to renew. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.